In this old digital world, one of the things that people still have some kind of afraid is losing their personal data. From a hard drive to a USB thumb drive, even a newer super fast external drive or some basic micro SD cards, we all have this risk. But EASEUS is here to help us. And today I'm gonna show you how. So the first thing you wanna do is go to the link on the description below, and as you can see in this homepage, you will see the free version of the EASEUS recovery software that allow you to recover up to 2 GB of data. And of course, if you need more, you can explore the paid versions too and upgrade to the pro version. Right below, you have a couple more important informations where you can see the amazing capabilities of this software that will allow you to recover data from deleted files, from recycle bin, deleted partitions, formatted drives, and also recover hard drives and bootable partitions too. Also, as I say in the beginning, you can recover data pretty much from everywhere, as USB pen drives, memory cards, HDD or SSDs, PC or notebooks, even from NAS or file servers. So click on download and let's get started. So once you have the application full installed, once you open it, you will see this working area right here. Here also you can see your license. In my case, EASEUS, as a sponsor of this video, offer me a 1-year pro license, so that's why I'm using a pro license. Then on the left you have the recovery options that we talked earlier on this video. The most common one, which is the hard drives. Then we have the SD card, but this option is basically used to all removable devices. Then we also have the NAS, Linux and RAID options, and the bottom one is where you can try recovering your Windows boot partition or other problems with Windows startup. So right here at this moment, as you can see, we only have the internal SSD, but once you plug it in another hard drive like I'm doing right now, the EASEUS software will automatically update the screen and show you more information about the new hard drive and partitions too. And as you can see, now we have 4 more partitions available to recover data, all from the hard drive that I just plug in. At this point, it's just a matter of know where is your lost data, and in this case I know my important data or lost data is mostly in the F partition, so we're gonna select the F partition and click start searching on the bottom right. This process, depending on the device and the amount of data, of course, can take a little bit, so don't get nervous. Leave the EASEUS working until it reaches 100%. So, and after a good amount of time, as you can see, the software recovered almost 2 million files in a total of 282 GB of space. And now, if we click and go to recovery, we can see all the files that EASEUS recovered for us. As you can see, we have a lot of folders, files, and also we're gonna find some trash that EASEUS also finds. And now basically we have 2 options. We can select folders or all the folders to recover, or we can select the type of files that we want to recover. So if we click on type right here on the left, we can select the type of files we are looking for. Let's say I'm looking only to recover the images. I can select only the images and avoid to recover all other trash that I'm not interested in. In my case, all the important data is located on the users folder, so I'm gonna select it and click on recover to recover that folder. Here, the system is gonna ask you where do you wanna save the recovery data, and of course the best option is always save it to another disk or device. In my case, I will open or create a folder in my internal SSD and save the data to there. After that, it's just a matter of being patient once again and let the EASEUS software do their job again. And as you can see, after a while we now have 100% of our files successfully saved, and if we visualize our folder, we will find all the recovered files that EASEUS found on that specific folder that I previously select. We will find normally some trash and maybe some damaged files, but if we got lucky, all of our important data will be there too. All of that done, backing up to the home of the EASEUS software. Let's say now we're gonna need to recover some files from a USB flash drive. As you can see, I remove my hard drive, and if we plug in a USB thumb drive, it will appear right here ready to be recovered. But as I mentioned before, the best option to recover removable devices is this option right here on the left, on the SD card option. As you can see, the thumb drive also appears right here, so you just need to select verify and wait once again to the EASEUS software do their job. Take in mind that normally USB thumb drives or SD cards are quite slower than the SSDs or HDDs, so it can easily take a lot longer. So be patient and let the software do their job. So comparing the free and the pro versions, as you can see, the free version only allow you to recover, as I said earlier, 2 GB of data, which in 2025 you can easily go over it with a couple of photos. So if you have a situation of a data lost, you should consider a pro version, which give you a lot of options for data recovery, and it will help you in a lot of other situations. So as you can see, EASEUS is a really simple and good software. It's quite simple to use. This is a sponsorship video, of course, but I work with EASEUS since my IT days back in 2008, I think, and I really like them. Of course, I'm suspicious say this on this type of sponsored video, but it is what it is. If we think a product is good, we should say it. So if you have any doubts or need any help, leave it on the comments or just email me and I will try to help you the best way I can. So as always, thanks for watching. I hope I can see you in the next one.